Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia Lea, if you do not know. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hop into this tutorial. So today I'm going to be attempting to do some feed-in braids again. This is my second time, but I'm doing it a different way. This time I'm doing like a crochet method. I'm only going to do 4 like big braids. This is the hair that I got. It's called Ghana, I think. Yeah, it's by Expression, and this is 50 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. Um, and it comes with 3 bundles. Now, they only had the 50 inch when I was at the store, so that's what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glue Spray, some Shining Jam, and some beeswax. Ugh, y'all excuse that bump. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair because I don't want to take all day. I'm gonna part my hair and then, yeah. Okay, so now I'm basically just going to part my sections out and twist them up so that they'll kind of already be sectioned for when I braid them. Of course, it was kind of hard to part the back, but I mean, it's whatever. I did my best. So, yeah, I'm just going to part it and then twist it up. Okay, so once I got my hair sectioned, I'm going to start with the first section, and I'm going to use this moisturizer to moisturize my hair. Um, it worked really good for me. Like, it moisturizes and it detangles. So, as you see, I'm just going to run it through my hair and comb out the ends. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Shining Jam with the Murray beeswax, and they gonna work perfect together. Like, just watch and see. It really don't matter how you put it on. Like, if you put the Shining Jam on first or the beeswax on first, just put it on. And if you want your braids to be flatter, like, I recommend you blow dry your hair out first. I didn't blow dry my hair out because I just didn't feel like it, for real, for real. So anyways, I'm just gonna add the beeswax and the Shining Jam edge control to both sides of the section and brush it in real. Okay, so now I'm just going to start braiding, and I'm actually taking my time, but like, I kind of sped up the video or whatever. So just continue to braid, and as I'm braiding, I'm kind of smoothing the hair into the braid so that it'll be like as neat as possible. Okay, so and then boom, like I'm done with that braid and then that braid. And as you can see, my parts are not straight, but girl, it's okay. Like, I did my best and that's all that matters. So I did the exact same thing here. Just put the Shine and Jam edge control and the beeswax on both sides, and then I'm just going to braid it straight back, smooth as I go. All right, so since I got that for C hair, I'm going to spray some Got to Be glue, spray on it, and then tie it down. Well, I'm a little brush it, brush the little flyaways first. Then I'm gonna tie it down. Um, Dang, I didn't know I did all this. I'm trying to wait till the tie down part come, girl. But dang, but y'all see in a minute. I just tied it down. So this is how the bundles looked. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all. Um, if you, the smaller piece you start with in the front, the better the braid is gonna look. So I started off with this piece, but off camera I ended up adding a smaller piece in front of it because I just know that's just gonna look good. So, anyways, just gonna take the hair, girl, loop it around and crochet it on. You don't have to make a knot unless you want to, but I feel like I didn't want a knot. So, anyways, as you go along your braid, you're gonna make it bigger. So my suggestion is, as your braid get bigger, you can kind of increase how much hair you're adding in at one time. You feel me? I hope that makes sense. But yeah, that's kind of how I did it. The bigger the braid, the more hair I added to the braid. And this hair is some good hair. It tangled like every other braid hair, but it was more of a kinky straight texture. Like it was kind of thick. Like it matched my hair type, so I liked it. So once you have crocheted some hair all the way to the back, what you want to do is flip the front part over, and you may want to comb it out. I combed this out, um, and I kind of finger detangled as I braided as well. But anyways, you want to just start your braid off like this, and what you're doing is you're braiding the crochet hair on top of your braid, And if you take your time and you add like just the right amount of hair, it's gonna turn out cute. Like, it was really easy for me to do, so I know you guys can do it. But anyways, this hair, like I said, I liked it. But girl, I ain't even gonna lie, I was mad that it was tangling up. Um, like while I was braiding it. I should have put like some moisturizer on it or something. But I was mad that it was tangling up, but I was happy that it wasn't like that silky like braiding hair. So yeah. So your girl did it. Your girl was happy. This looks so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all I love this method. But anyways, as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead do the exact same thing to the rest of my head. And I'm gonna turn around in a minute so y'all can see how it look in the back. The parts ain't all that, but whatever, it's still cute. And yeah, girl. Okay, so here's another look at how it's supposed to look once you crochet the hair on. You'll just see your braid down the middle, and then yeah, that's it. So now what I'm doing is just cutting off the little flyaways. This braid on the end I actually ended up redoing because I just didn't like the way it looked. So a few days later I did redo it. But yeah, girl, these braids is long. And also the pack of hair that I used was not enough hair. I had to get some of that silky hair and mix it in with this hair to make it work. So I think if you're gonna do this style, to get like 2 packs, just so your braids can be like thick enough. I like the size of my braids, but I wouldn't be mad if they was a little bit thicker. So like I said, 2 packs should get it done.